G-O-N, Godlock, G-O-D-L-O-C-K.
Your exact position as well within the department?
Captain of Support Services.
What can you tell us so far about what you know so far with the shooting on the street?
So far, what I know is that there was some type of confrontation. Two gentlemen got into it, fired shots at each other, and one of the young men is deceased.
What's the state of the other man?
He was transported to the hospital, but I believe he has non-life-threatening injuries.
What about, I guess, so they were both involved in this shooting, then there's no additional suspects?
At this time, the investigation is still ongoing, but there is no danger to the public. Right now, from the initial investigation, it was just those two individuals involved.
Can you tell us approximately the ages of the people involved?
Right now, ma'am, I'm not exactly sure. The detectives are still working on that right now.
So did it happen at a home, outside the home? You guys?
It appears that it happened right outside the home, at the house, not too far where you see the blue lights down there, down on Doggett Road, which is in the sheriff's office jurisdiction.
So no one else was around the area or heard it all?
There are witnesses that are being interviewed at this time.
It's neither of the houses we can see that are lit, right? Just to make sure I have the video right. It's neither of those two.
Where you see the blue lights at,
Yeah.
it's just past that house right there.
Okay, cool.
So it's still on down. It's none of these houses right here, but it's where you see the blue lights at down
Perfect,
there.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Was that one man, was he airlifted to a hospital, do you know? Or?
No, ma'am. It's my understanding that the helicopter was called in, but he was actually transported, and I think he was transported to Cleveland Regional Hospital down in Cleveland County.
This is an area, I know first week of January there was a stabbing in this area too. Is this an area you see a lot of crime, or are these both kind of new things for this part of your jurisdiction?
Not in this particular area here. Even though it has a Forest City address, it's actually in the county. Where I think you're referring to was actually in the city limits.
Anything else?
No.
Awesome, thank you.
Like I said, like I told you, it wasn't much, but that way, eventually, later on, when we get everything put together, we will send out a NICSA or more an informative of exactly what happened. Because like I said, once we get names of everybody, that information will be sent out, okay?
Thank
All right,
you.
thank y'all.
Thank you, appreciate it.